Okay, here it is, guys. So the dash is out. I was able to keep the shifter column in place by just twisting this off to the side. But there's the gas and brake, the dash brace, new heater core, all the various parts that go along with the dashboard here. And what you also have to do is you have to disconnect the air conditioning right here, and right up underneath that air conditioner is a really tiny hidden bolt. See that right there? That was a pain in the butt to get out, but you got to get that one out. And there's one down there. I don't know if you can see it. Right down there. There it is, right there. That's holding the HVAC unit in place against the firewall. And you'll see once I get the air conditioning unit out, or hookups out, you can see this is gonna just pull right out. And then we'll put the new heater core in its slot, put the lines through the firewall and hook it back up, and put this all back together. So I'll get you to the next step as soon as I get the air conditioner unit out. Okay guys, I took the air conditioner line out, so we're about to see if this thing comes out. And there you have it. Wow. I'm just gonna tell you that this is no easy job, but a couple days work and it'll save you $1,000. So we're gonna next install that heater core right in there, and then those two heater lines are gonna go through these rubber fittings there and through the firewall, and that's it. You gotta put it all back together, so stay tuned. Okay, well that wasn't too bad. I got it in. You can see it just slides in. It slides in just like that. And these were pretty cool. I just pulled them back, slid it in, and then stretched them over top here. And you can see, that's it. Now, put it all back together. You gotta mount this whole HVAC unit back up to the firewall, hook the AC line up, recharge it, and put it all back together. So I'll give you a couple updates step by step. I'm gonna put this in first, and then we're gonna hook all the lines up on the inside, or in the inside of the engine compartment, and give you a better view here. That's it. Heater core. Big job. Okay. I'll be back.